Hello guys, today we are going to know the use of for and since. Okay, so previously on some levels we have used for and since with the present perfect. So over here we are going to review the use of for, which means por. We use for a period of time. Okay, so we use for along with present perfect, and here we have some examples. We have done the task for 3 hours. What happens here? For means a period of time. After that we have another example. She has waited for 2 hours and the delivery didn't arrive. So what happened here? We have these activities in present perfect have been performed for a period of time. Okay, on the other hand, we have since. So the meaning of since is desde. Okay, remember the pronunciation of since is with I, since. Okay, we use since along to the present perfect is the same. Since and for, we use it for present perfect. We have examples. The first is I have been at class since 7 a.m. I am tired. What happened here? Since shows when the action started. When the action started in the example, 7 a.m. So I have been at class since 7 a.m. That's why this person is tired. Another example is they've shown their pictures since the morning. So it means this group of people have shown some pictures since the morning. So we are talking about that the time is afternoon. So since means desde. So let's go and see some phrases that we can use with for and since. So here in this picture we have for. We use for a period of time. Okay, so we use for 10 years, for 15 minutes, for 9 months, for 20 years, for the rest of my life. Okay. On the other hand, we have since. What happened here? Since demonstrate when the action started in the past. So we have since last Tuesday, since January, since 2001, since the Middle Ages, since half past 6. Okay, they are different. So for is a period of time and since shows when the action started in the past. In the next part, we will have some examples, more examples that how could you use for and since. So we have for 10 minutes, for 8 hours, for 5 days, for 6 months, for 3 years, for 2 centuries. Okay, periods of time, guys. In the contrary, we have since from the starting point. So we have since 8 o'clock, since Monday, since February, since 1982. Since I left school, since the end of last century. Okay, so try to take notes on these phrases. Later, you can go to your PDF book or maybe here and take your notebook and do these activities, okay? So you are going to use since and for with these phrases. So in the previous images, we have some examples, right? But here you have the practice. So try to do letter A, B, C, and D. This is a practice. After you finish your practice, you have the answers on your notebook. You are going to have, of course, the answers. So don't worry about that. Yep. And when you finish checking or comparing your answers with the practice here in the video, you are going to have to do the first task. So task 1 says for and since, okay? And here we have the instructions. So it says download Annexo task 1, read the instructions, complete the table, prepare an audio in SoundCloud, like the model in Annexo task 1, upload this Annexo with the pasted link as PDF file to Edmodo. So over here we have Annexo for task 1. Okay, this is the part of the table, so you will have some questions. Please, you need to read the questions and try to understand what is the meaning of these questions. These questions are super simple, and they ask to use since and for. So you need to type, okay, directly here in the table, filling or completing it. Okay, you have how long have you learned English? ¿Cuánto tiempo o por cuánto tiempo has aprendido inglés? How much time have you been awake? ¿Por cuánto tiempo has estado despierto? When have you been able to read? ¿Cuándo has sido capaz de leer la primera vez? How much time have you been a student? ¿Cuánto tiempo has sido un estudiante? How long have you lived in your house or apartment? ¿Cuánto tiempo has vivido en tu casa o departamento? How long have you studied at UTN? ¿Cuánto tiempo has estudiado en la UTN? Okay, so you need to write the answers since 2010, for example. And for should be for 4 years, for 3 years, okay? After that, you have this example over here. So this is the model that you are going to use in order to create your audio. So you have, of course, a greeting. Hello teachers, this is my answer. So first, I've learned English since, and you have your answers here and you paste it over here. I really like English, but it's kind of difficult when I try to use grammar. Then, I've been awake for, you answer, I'm tired but, next, I've been able to read since, and you include your age, and you finish with all the questions, okay? This is only an example that you need to do, and you create your audio. It's not necessary to write, it's only an audio. Of course, if you want, you can write it in your notebook, and later you can practice and record your audio in SoundCloud. So later you have paste your link here. You are going to paste the link of SoundCloud over here and transform this file in PDF, and you upload it to Edmodo. Okay, that's all.